Hi everyone, my name is Kamal Raj. I am from Bangalore. I have done my graduation in 2016. I'm basically an electrical engineer. 2024 is my important year in my life. So I have spent my time usefully in this time, and I have found a networker's home in online website. So I casually have done research on which institute I need to do the course. So I finally found this one is the best. It have good ratings and the facilities, lab facilities is there. Everything we can able to do practically here, and trainers also good here. So I started in this year. Starting I have started the course here. I have enrolled for CCIE Enterprise. And additionally I have done security part also. So I need to thank to my trainers, Kundan sir, Nikun sir, Avinash sir. So they provide me good training, and anytime they will provide if I ask any questions, they will give a response all the time. And here lab facility is good. I have done my labs here, and the timing also good. I can able to learn at any time, anywhere. Remotely I can take lab also. And additionally here I got trained for interview preparation also, and additionally communication part also they have given training. And finally I got placed in Alackrity Console. Thanks for giving this opportunity.